Rumi said, "I've come to take you with me, even if I must drag you along. But first, I must steal your heart, then settle you in my soul. I've come as a spring to lay beside your blossoms, to feel the glory of happiness and spread your flowers around. I've come to show you off as the adornment in my house and elevate you to the heavens as the prayers of those in love. I've come to take back the kiss you once stole. Either return it with grace or I must take it. You're my life. You're my soul. Please be my last prayer. My heart must hold you forever. From the lowly earth to the high human soul, there are far more than 1,000 stages since I've taken you along from town to town. There is no way I will abandon you halfway down this road.